In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set rulers and guides in Canva. Click on the File menu at the top of the screen. In the drop-down menu, you will see the option Show Rulers. Click on it and rulers will appear on the top and left sides of your workspace. Adding guides. To add a guide, simply click on the ruler and drag a guide onto your canvas. You can drag from the top ruler for a horizontal guide or from the left ruler for a vertical guide. Position the guide where you need it by dragging it into place. You'll see a blue line indicating the guide's position. Alternative method for adding guides. Another way to add guides is by right-clicking anywhere on your canvas. From the context menu that appears, select Guides and then choose either Add Horizontal Guide or Add Vertical Guide. The guide will appear on your canvas and you can drag it to your desired position. To clear a guide, simply right-click on the canvas. In the context menu, select Guides and then click on Clear Guides. This will remove all the guides from your canvas. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the bell icon for more updates.